What? Good morning. What do you want? It's Friday. Yeah. My favorite day of the week. Say good morning to everybody. Huh? Say good morning. Yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna see if Garth wants to say good morning. Say good morning, Garth. Say good morning. It's Friday. No? What about you, Gizmo? You wanna say something? Hmm? Yeah? Tell everybody have a positive day. Tell them. Say positive. Yeah? Hey, Wayne. What you doing, Wayne? Hmm? Oh boy, treats time. Yeah. Treat time. Yep. Time to get freaky on the catnip. Have a great day, everybody. Quick, easy Friday. Get your weekend on.